Hello students, we are practicing previous year's PMT questions based on NCERT core content. This is part 2 of chapter 5 and we will discuss 20 MCQs from the chapter. Question number 1. Experimental verification of the chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by स्यूटॉन एंड बोवरी ने क्रोमोसोमल थ्योरी ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस को प्रपोज किया था, लेकिन एक्सपेरिमेंटल वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ द थ्योरी वाज डन बाय थॉमस हंट मॉर्गन. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, मार्क डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इन अ टेस्ट क्रॉस इन्वॉल्विंग F1 dihybrid flies, more parental type offsprings were produced than the recombinant type offsprings. This indicates जब टेस्ट क्रॉस किया गया विद F1 डाईहाइब्रिड फ्लाइज, देन पेरेंटल टाइप के ऑफस्प्रिंग ज़्यादा अपेयर हुए एज कंपेयर टू रिकॉम्बिनेंट टाइप. ये इंडिकेट करता है लिंकेज को, जिसमें सेम क्रोमोसोम पर प्रेजेंट टू जीन्स इकट्ठा मूव करते हैं. दे टेंड टू गो टुगेदर, दे डू नॉट गेट सेपरेटेड. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. दिस इंडिकेट्स द टू जीन्स आर लिंक्ड and present on same chromosome. So mark A. Question number 3. What map unit or centimorgan is adapted in the construction of genetic map? Genetic map actually में क्रोमोसोम पर प्रेजेंट जीन के सीक्वेंस को और उनके बीच के डिस्टेंस को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. अगर टू जीन्स के बीच में 1% क्रॉसिंग ओवर होता है, देन the distance between the gene is 1 map unit or 1 centimorgan. So correct option is D. 1 centimorgan or 1 map unit is a unit of distance between genes on chromosomes and representing 1% crossing over. So mark D as a correct answer. Question 4. There are 3 genes A, B and C. Percentage of crossing over between A and B is 20%, B and C is 28% and A and C is 8%. What is the sequence of genes on chromosome? See the solution. जीन B and C के बीच में क्रॉसिंग ओवर 28% है, मीन्स इन जीन्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस 28 मैप यूनिट होगा. सिमिलरली A and B जीन्स में 20% क्रॉसिंग ओवर हो रहा है, सो द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन A and B इज 20 मैप यूनिट. वाइल A and C जीन्स में 8% क्रॉसिंग ओवर हो रहा है, सो द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन A and C इज 8 मैप यूनिट. सो इसको अरेंज कीजिए ऑन द क्रोमोसोम, यू विल गेट द आंसर. द सीक्वेंस ऑफ द जीन्स विल बी B, A and C. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज A, मार्क A. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What is the genetic disorder in which an individual has an overall masculine development, gynecomastia and is sterile? Genetic disorder होगा Klinefelter syndrome. It is due to the presence of XXY chromosome, that is, one extra X chromosome is present in this person. Such persons are sterile males with undeveloped testes, mental retardation and some female characteristics such as enlarged breast, that is gynecomastia. So correct answer is C, mark C. Question 6. A woman has an X-linked condition on one of her X chromosomes. This chromosome can be inherited by both son and daughter inherit X chromosome from mother. So अगर कोई भी X linked condition मदर में है, then one of the two daughters will be carrier and one of the two sons will be affected by the disease. So correct option is D. Both sons and daughters can inherit this condition. So mark D as a correct answer. Question number 7. A human female with Turner syndrome. In Turner syndrome, female has 45 chromosomes instead of 46 with XO condition. One X chromosome is missing in these females and these females are sterile and lack other secondary sexual characters. So answer is A, that is A human female with Turner syndrome has 45 chromosomes with XO. So mark A. Question number 8. Thalassemia and sickle cell anemia are caused due to a problem in globin molecule synthesis. Select the correct statement. Sickle cell anemia is due to point mutation, where glutamic acid is replaced by valine at 6th position of beta globin. So, it is the qualitative defect in functioning of globin molecule. While in thalassemia, synthesis of globin chain reduce हो जाता है in hemoglobin, so it is a quantitative defect. So the correct statement out of 4 statements is B. Thalassemia is due to less synthesis of globin molecule, so mark B as a correct answer. Question number 9. If a colorblind man marries a woman who is homozygous for normal color vision, the probability of their son being colorblind is? Check the solution. See the genotypes of 4 children of normal homozygous woman and colorblind man. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ नंबर पर चेक कीजिए. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ नंबर पर बोथ आर सन्स एंड बोथ आर नॉर्मल. वाइल 1 एंड 2 नंबर पर चेक कीजिए. बोथ आर डॉटर्स एंड बोथ डॉटर्स आर कैरियर ऑफ द ट्रेट. सो द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ देयर सन being colorblind is 0. So mark A as a correct answer. Question number 10. In the following human pedigree, the filled symbols represent the affected individual. Identify the type of given pedigree. Given pedigree में point number 2 पर देखिए, both male and females are affected. So it is an autosomal disorder. Now check the point number 3. Normal parents are having affective children, means it is a recessive trait. So the given pedigree is autosomal recessive. So mark A as a correct answer. Question number 11. Of a normal couple, half the sons are hemophilic while half the daughters are carriers. The gene is located on? See the solution. 1 and 2 are daughters and out of 2 daughters, number 2 पर जो शो किया गया है, she is a carrier of the trait. And third and fourth, these are sons, where out of 2 sons, number 4 पर जो शो किया गया है, he is a hemophilic son. And this is possible when genotype of normal mother is X capital H and X small h, while genotype of normal father is X capital H and Y. So the gene is located on 1X chromosome of mother. So mark C as a correct answer. Question number 12. Study the pedigree chart of a certain family given below and select the correct conclusion which can be drawn for the character. The character shown in this pedigree is an autosomal trait as it is present in both sons and daughters, and this is possible when the female parent is heterozygous for the trait having genotype capital A small a and can pass capital A to one of her son, and this son is normal. So correct option is A. Mark A. Female parent is heterozygous. Question number 13. Study the pedigree chart given below. What does it show? चार्ट को देखिए. इस पेडिग्री में both sons and daughters are affected. So it is an autosomal disorder and there is a skip in generation, that is normal parents are having affected children. Thus it is an autosomal recessive trait. So correct option is A. This pedigree chart shows inheritance of a condition like phenylketonuria as an autosomal recessive trait. So mark A as a correct answer. Question number 14. Which one is incorrect statement with regard to the importance of pedigree analysis? Option D से start करते हैं. Option D देखिए. It helps to trace the inheritance of a specific trait. This is correct. Option C देखिए. It confirms that The trait is linked to one of the autosome. यह भी करेक्ट है. Now option B देखिए. It helps to understand whether the trait in question is dominant or recessive. This is also correct. Now see the statement A. It confirms that DNA is the carrier of genetic information. This is wrong. पेडिग्री चार्ट से यह कंफर्म नहीं होता है कि डीएनए जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन का कैरियर है. सो इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज ए. मार्क ए एज अ करेक्ट आंसर. Question number 15. In a dihybrid cross between two heterozygotes, capital A small a, capital B small b and capital A small a, capital B small b, if we get 3:1 ratio among the offsprings, the reason for this may be, as per Mendel experiment, dihybrid cross में F2 जनरेशन की phenotypic ratio होती है 9:3:3:1. बट अगर हमें 3:1 रेशो मिलती है इंस्टेड ऑफ 9:3:3:1, it indicates that the genes of the character are linked. So correct answer is B. The reason for getting 3:1 ratio among the offsprings is linked genes. So mark B as a correct answer. Question number 16. Which one of the following symbols and its representation used in human pedigree analysis is correct? Out of 4 options, option A is correct. The given symbol shows mating between relatives. So mark A as a correct answer. Question number 17. Represented here is the inheritance pattern of a certain type of trait in humans. Which one of the following conditions could be the example of this pattern? See the diagram. Here the trait is transferred from mother to son and from father to daughter. It means it is sex-linked disorder or trait. And out of 4 examples, hemophilia is a sex-linked trait, while phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia and thalassemia, these are autosomal trait. So correct answer is C. Mark C. Question number 18. Which of the following is the correct match? Match A देखिए. Match A is Down syndrome and 21st chromosome. This is the correct match. The cause of Down syndrome is trisomy of 21st chromosome. So mark A as correct option of the given question. Question number 19. If both the parents are carriers for thalassemia, which is an autosomal recessive disorder, what are the chances of pregnancy resulting in an affected child? See the solution. Out of 4 offsprings of carrier parents, one is with small t genotype and is affected child. So the chances of pregnancy resulting in an affected child for given condition is 25%. Mark A as a correct answer. Question number 20. Pick the correct statement. Statement 1 देखिए. Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease. This is the correct statement. Statement 2. Down syndrome is due to aneuploidy. This is also correct. Aneuploidy means gain or loss of chromosomes, and in Down syndrome there is a gain of 1/21st chromosome. Now come to the statement 3. Phenylketonuria is an autosomal recessive gene disorder. This is also correct. Now come to statement number 4. Sickle cell anemia is an X-linked recessive gene disorder. This is wrong. Sickle cell anemia is an autosome-linked recessive trait. So correct answer is B. Statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct statement. Mark B as a correct answer. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.